Hey guys, it's Kevin. Today we're going to remove the casing for Epson WF-7610. At first, remove this screw from the fax cover in the back. Then there's the one above it. And after that, you can just remove the fax cover. Behind the printer on the back, you can see a really deep screw. That's why you'll need a really long screwdriver. In the back, remove the screws on the scanner's hinge. And in the front, you're going to see one row of screws. And then you can remove this plate. For most Epson printers, you will need a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. Go to Accessories and Refill Tools. You're looking for this baby. Or you can go to your local Ace hardware store and ask for a Phillips number 2 screwdriver, 6 inches. Now we remove 2 deep screws, one on each side. The front panel can be peeled off. Remember, there are 3 connections on the front panel. One big FFC cable, one black and red wire, and one ground wire. Now we can pull off all the wires connect to the scanner. The first thing is remove the ground wire. And that has 3 black wires. Then you can pull the cables out. Use your cell phone to take a picture before you pull any wire out, so when you put it back, you know where the wires connected. Now you can pull the scanner out. The scanner is rest on those scanner hinge at the angle. So just pull it out with angle, pull it up. Remove 2 screws on the scanner's hinge, and on the left side there's one more screw underneath the hinge. Now use your finger work around the casing and open up the back duplex door. Will help you to remove the casing. There's a wire connected to the casing. I normally just leave it like this so I don't have to disconnect it. If you need more details about how to install and uninstall the motherboard, you can go to bchtechnology.com and go to printer parts and instructions, and scroll down. You're going to see the instruction for WF-7610. That gives you a detailed video instruction about how to install and uninstall the motherboard. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Visit us at www.bchtechnology.com or locally at Greensboro, North Carolina. Cheers.